What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So sorry I haven't been posting in a while. It's been school and stuff, and I haven't really... It's hard to make video ideas too, but I promise, guys, I will always keep posting. So this is what I am working on right now. So it is completely unfinished. It's my fire alarm control panel. I'm gonna spray paint it white, and I have the like the clear part window masked off, and then I have my fire alarm panel key. And then I'm just making this because I don't have any electronics for that actually, but I'm gonna use my I'm gonna do this thing where you can attach of any volt DC plug to the alarm, however DC volts it takes to this, and it just wires, and when you pull it, it activates, and then when you just lift up when you reset it, it stops, instead of having to have like a control panel and everything. So yeah, I just have it on like this cool little thing. It's really cool. And then
that storm was horrible.
Yeah, guys, if you had that storm happen last night, it was bad.
We literally had to put the AC.
Yeah, we had to put the AC.
The AC.
Yeah, like look at this.
And that thing is 100 pounds.
And as you guys saw, I made that video. Oh, I kind of scooted it back, but it was about that far. Yeah. This door,
look at that.
this door,
it really messed up.
It's locked. You could see it peeled back from the frame. This is what it looked like all night. Like it was pulled. I had to push it a couple times. So yeah, we had it.
I'm gonna go outside. Wait, I'm gonna go outside.
Yeah. Oh, that box almost flew away, and the whole sky was lighting up because the transformers are blowing. So the door is locked in. This door is locked in with hinges.
This one is really sturdy.
Into the wall.
This one,
you can open it, but this one
just holding on by this.
Yeah, that tiny little notch. And it was locked.
And the AC was holding it.
Yeah, but
Still,
you guys don't want to see that. Yeah, that's AC water because it's broken. But
it's like very gross.
this just turned into a
Video
fire alarm control panel video to
slash
stuff.
update of the storm.
Yeah, update of things. So yeah, guys, that's
the bomb cyclone.
no. It was supposed to be the atmospheric river, but it was nothing close to that. Here, can you record quickly? Right here. Here. I want to see. I want to let them. Can you come over here?
It's fine. It's good.
Okay. So if I lock it here, I can open it up. And as I said, there's nothing in it yet. It's just blank.
Yeah.
Really haven't done anything yet. But the key they showed you goes back in there. Then I just do this. Turn it, and then it locks itself back in, and it doesn't open. So, yeah, guys, bye.